Sir, in this video, I will go for one more meaningful example how you can use function. Suppose within the company, employees are there. At the end of the month, total how much is salary we require to deposit in the bank for all employees. Write a function to find the total salary of all the employees. Are you getting that? Every time I don't want to evaluate, just I will write that function only once. I will call that function for every month. Are you getting that? How you can able to do that? Sir, a list of employees are there. Sir, I want to write a function to find the total salary of all employees, right? First, where how you can write a employee class, and then how you can go for that. Here, just I am taking class employee. Observe very carefully about this one, sir. Class employee. Every employee, I want to take two instance variables, right? String name and then double salary. Just observe only two variables I am taking, sir, to simplify the terminology. Next, constructor must be required. Employee string name, comma, double salary. Employee string name, comma, double salary. So do you know here this dot name is equal to name, this dot salary is equal to salary, like this I am taking, sir. Next sir, let me write let me override two-string method also. Public string two-string method, public string two-string, because whenever I am trying to print student employee information, sir, for meaningful string representation I am overriding this one. Return just name plus colon and is a salary. Just print name and a salary. That's all. Just this is the way how I override two string. So that's all. This is about my employee class. Now let me create one array list of employee objects. I'm taking one array list of employee objects. L is equal to new array list of employee. Array list of employee. L is equal to array list of employee. L here just let me call populate method just to add some employee objects for this array list. Are you able to understand, right? So just how to write employee class, how to create array list of employee objects, just populate to add some employee objects to this L. So let me show the code and then how you can write the function. That part I will take care. Just have a look once. Observe carefully, sir. Class employee class contain two variables and then constructor, and then just I override two string method, right? Now here array list of employee, L is equal to new array list of employee populate. Are you getting? Can you please call populate? Now this populate method what it's going to do is adding some employees, right? Can you please tell how many employees I added, sir? Sunny, Bunny, Chinny, Pinny, Winnie, like sir, total how many employees are there? 5 employee objects I added. Their salaries are 1000, 2000, 3, 4, 5. Sir, can you please count total how much monthly salaries are? 1000, 3, 6. Sir, like 15 total salary is nothing but 15,000 is the total monthly salary of all employees. Like, sir, how you can write a function to evaluate this one? So my function can take which one as the argument? Array list of employees. And my function has to tell total monthly salary. Total monthly salary is what type? Double type. Now how you can able to write okay function? Very simple, sir. Just observe that. So I'm defining a function, sir. Function of this function is going to take which one as the argument, sir? Array list of employee is the input, sir. Array list of employee is the input type. And what it's going to return, sir? It's always going to return what? Double type. Double type F is equal to if I provide L means what? Array list of all employees L. Now what I have to take? What is the code I require to write inside lambda expression, right? Very simple. Let me take one double total is equal to 0. At the beginning, total salary is the 0. Now, for each employee, E in L, for every employee, E in L, okay. Now, sir, total is equal to total plus E dot salary. Can you please add the salary of that employee to this total variable? This process can be repeated for every employee present inside this list, okay. Now, what I have to do, return that total. Total is what type, sir? Double type. That's why end of the function like this. Everyone can able to understand. If you can provide a list of employee, this function is always going to return, do you know, double. Return double means what? Total salary. Okay, now here system.out.println, the total salary of all employees is, apply this function, f dot apply. For which list, sir? I have already array list object is there, array list like this. That's all. If you call this function, if you apply this function for my array list of employees, now it is going to return total salary. Are you getting? This is how you can use a function to find the total salary of all employees. Are you getting right? Now slowly you people are habitizing how you can use predicate, how you can use function in our day-to-day coding. Remember this one, sir, okay? Sir, let me execute this code. Observe carefully. Observe a bit carefully. Sir, employee class already I explained. Next and after that, array list object I created, populate. Now all these 5 elements are populated. Now, sir, this is the very important SOP of L. Just I'm printing a complete information, right? Sir, before. Now, function array list. This function is always going to take, have you observed, right? This function is always going to take array list of employee as input, and it's always going to return double as the argument, right? Double as the return type. Sir, L1, what I want to take, double total. Next, for each employee in L1, total is equal total plus E dot salary. Are you getting? Return total. That's also return total. This is the function, right? The total salary of this month is f dot apply of L. Are you getting? F dot apply of L like this, right? Now, let me execute this code. Here have you observed? Now the code compiles fine. Let me execute. Sir, this is employees information. The total salary is 15,000 rupees. Correct, man? Sir, 1,000 plus 2,000 plus 3,000 plus 4,000 plus 5,000. Total monthly salary is nothing but what? 15,000. Tomorrow, if any new employee added, assume that I'm trying to add a new employee. Employee name Durga, and the employee salary 10,000. Then automatically, now this total salary of the month will become what? 25,000. Are you getting that? 15 plus 10,000, 25,000. Let me execute this code. Let me execute. Yes, perfectly. Yes, the total monthly salary is 25,000 rupees. Are you getting that? Okay, that's all. This is the way how you can able to use functional interface to find, to evaluate the total monthly salary of all employees. Clear?